Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a rock sitting on a cliff that falls into the sea. Explain the energy transformation. So when the rock is sitting on top of the cliff, it has potential energy. When it is falling, it is converting potential to kinetic energy. Some of that kinetic energy is converted to thermal energy or friction heat. And then when the rock hits the bottom, the full potential energy is converted to thermal energy. So that's both heat and sound. Okay, here is the longer explanation. I just summed it up in 5 sentences, but they give you the full breakdown of how it's transforming potential to kinetic. Okay, you can read that on your own. So before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC using snipping tool. If you never used it before, you can follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent. Alright, so click on the icon. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Once it's open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.